So good afternoon. You're watching English with Akram, and today we have debate once again. And topic of debate is reservation. So this team will speak in the favor of reservation, and this team will speak against reservation. And so now I would like to ask the captains that whom will this hand. So Fabia.
Hello everyone, I am Alishba and today I am delighted to get this opportunity to come in front of you all and share my views on the topic that is about caste based reservation. It should be continued or not? Well, I personally believe so, it should be continued. Why? I have many reasons behind it. Now I want to explain to you all. First of all, I want to talk about earlier what used to happen that lower caste people means SC, ST, OBC people were not getting any kind of facilities like they were not getting proper education. Sorry, proper education I will not say here because they were not getting education and they were not getting seats in parliament, and because of education they were not getting scholarship and all. So you know that they because of this they become backward, and that's the reason that nowadays they are getting reservation and they should get reservation. Because if reservation will not be here, so what will happen that discrimination will increase more. How? First of all, they are backward, and if reservation will not be here, so what will happen that they will become more backward than earlier. Now you must speak.
So, hello everyone. Today I am speaking about the reservation should not be continued in India or not. Well, I personally believe that reservation should not be continued in India because of the reservation most of the things are happening. Like first of all, I want to talk about the inequality and discrimination is increasing day by day. If you go from outside your village, outside your city, outside your era, so you can see that in the villages you can see the people are doing discrimination among the people, and people don't sit together with the lower caste people don't eat together. So you can see that yet inequality is here. And why reservation had came for uplifting the had for uplifting reservation had come for uplifting the lower caste people and reduce the inequality among the people. And now you can see that yet inequality is not decreasing, inequality is increasing day by day.
So means as you are also mentioning that means what did you say? Inequality is increasing. Means you know that inequality, okay, inequality is increasing, but with lower caste people. You know that, sister. It's the reason that means constitution is giving reservation to those people for making equality among the people.
So what's the benefit of reservation when inequality has not finished?
Huh, yes, it is. It has not finished. It is means 60% discrimination has finished
Tell me the name of the state in which 60% reservation
in
has
India.
finished.
In India,
But if I talk about in the Bihar, Madhya Pradesh, Andhra Pradesh, more than 50% inequality is happening there.
I am talking about total data in the India. Okay,
Yeah.
and you are speaking and may I speak.
You speak.
So now I'm speaking that first of all I want to give answer to Sophia sister that as she was mentioning that she was mentioning about fake certificates.
Yeah.
You was talking about fake certificates that
My name again.
so I want to give answer to Sophia sister that as she were mentioning about. So I want to give answer to Sophia sister as you were mentioning about that fake certificates. Means you know that people are going to make fake certificates and after that they are getting all the facilities. So you know that poor people are going to make fake certificates and after that they are getting all facilities. That's the reason that real poor people are not getting this facility.
Who is real poor?
Me, sir. Who need money?
So yes, I think that it's a fault of reservation. If reservation will not be,
How?
I don't want to give.
So now I am speaking my second point. So hello everyone. Oh, no. So I am talking about in the education system. You can see that the inequality is here. You can see that in the constitution, it is written in the constitution that all people are equal. So if I talk about in the education system, you can see then who are getting higher marks than the lower caste people, they are getting seat, and who are getting lower marks than the general people, they are getting seat. So it is happening in the education system. It is not inequality, it is inequality.
So as you are talking about inequality, sister, you know that here means in the education, here equality will be when SC, ST, OBC caste means lower caste people will get reservation. How means first of all they are backward, and when they will get reservation, so after that they will come in means
Sister,
in
now they are
equality
not,
on equality they will come.
now they are not backward, they have all the facilities, they are capable for doing work. Now they are doing, all people are doing, all people
Okay,
are
now
doing
I
hard
want to
work.
speak my next point.
Well, okay, I will give.
As you were mentioning about our constitution, so in our constitution it is also written that there will not be any kind of discrimination, but discrimination is still happening. So for removing this discrimination, reservation came.
So for removing the discrimination, reservation had came, but discrimination had not finished. So now, what's the benefit reservation we are getting?
You
We
know,
are not getting.
there is not any kind of awareness. When there will be awareness,
So when
so
people,
discrimination will remove
when
properly.
people will become aware.
Just they are debating on this topic, but they are not becoming aware about this.
So now
That
we
they
should- So-
they should accept.
So we
this.
should stop the reservation.
It is not like that.
No, you can't ask. So I want to say, so next thing I want to say that if lower caste people will not get any kind of facilities, means they will not get reservation. So you know that what will happen, that upper caste people and general caste people will say to lower caste people that you know that you are lower, you belongs to lower caste people and you can't touch our this thing and you can't come here.
Sister, it is not like-
it will increase, sister, this thing will increase, and after that you know that what will happen, that lower caste people can suicide. Yes, they can
It
do
is not
suicide.
like this. If we remove discrimination, it is not like this. Now people are doing discrimination between among the people. We should stop.
Okay, now you
I
should
have a
change.
point. I am going to speak your point. Speak your points.
Speak.
I have a point.